All right, boys and girls, our activity today with our short O words is rainbow words. So let's start with the first color of the rainbow, which is red. And we're going to write the word got. Okay, G-O-T. Now I don't want to see you write it like this around the rainbow to try to be done fast, because that's not really practicing our spelling words. So we're going to write it in our best handwriting as many times as we can around the rainbow, leaving spaces in between. So you should be able to write it, like 3 or 4 times. G-O-T. Then our next word is going to be yellow. Get your yellow crayon. And we're going to write I just forgot the word. Let's write Tom. It's the name of a person, so let's write a capital T, capital T-O-M. Capital T-O-M. Capital T-O-M. Good. Now let's do our green. And let's do jog. J-O-G. 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 And our last color, let's do blue. Let's do on. O-N. O-N. Very good. All right, boys and girls, you should have a little bit of extra time for Lexia today, so get busy. Thank you.